Sonnets upon the Punishment of Death, in Series 1839-2. Tenderly do we feel by nature's law. William Wordsworth. Tenderly do we feel by nature's law for worst offenders, though the heart will heave with indignation. Deeply moved we grieve, in afterthought, for him who stood in awe neither of God nor man, and only saw, lost wretch, a horrible device enthroned on proud temptations, till the victim groaned under the steel his hand had dared to draw. But oh, restrained compassion, if its course, as oft befalls, prevent or turn aside judgments and aims and acts whose higher source is sympathy with the unforewarned, who died blameless, with them that shuddered o'er his grave, and all who from the law firm's safety crave.